Dogecoin price could trigger an explosive rally to $0.106 if these conditions are met. Fxstreet. Dogecoin price shows a clear sign of bouncing off a stable support level. With the help of the resetting bullish momentum, Doge could kickstart a quick rally. Dogecoin price has recovered above the selling climax at $0.0705 and rallied 32%. In its ascent, Doge has also flipped the $0.0813 hurdle into a support level. As the dog-themed crypto trades around the $0.0856 level, investors can expect range tightening or a retest of the immediate support level at $0.0813. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, has pulled back from the overbought region to the midpoint, suggesting that the bulls now have a chance to make a comeback. A reset of the RSI at 50 could be the catalyst that triggers Dogecoin price to kickstart a rally to tag the buying climax at $0.0946. While this is a conservative outlook, a successful flip of this hurdle into a support floor on the daily time frame will allow Dogecoin price to scale to $0.106, bringing the total gain to 30%. Y chart on the other hand, if Dogecoin price fails to sustain above $0.0813, it will signal a weakening bullish camp. A flip of this level into a resistance level will invalidate the bullish thesis and favor profit taking. In such a case, Doge could slide 12% to revisit the selling climax at $0.0705. Information on these pages contains forward-looking statements that involve risks and uncertainties. Markets and instruments profiled on this page are for informational purposes only and should not in any way come across as a recommendation to buy or sell in these assets. You should do your own thorough research before making any investment decisions. Fxstreet does not in any way guarantee that this information is free from mistakes, errors, or material misstatements. It also does not guarantee that this information is of a timely nature. Investing in open markets involves a great deal of risk, including the loss of all or a portion of your investment, as well as emotional distress. All risks, losses and costs associated with investing, including total loss of principal, are your responsibility. The views and opinions expressed in this article are those of the authors, and do not necessarily reflect the official policy or position of Fxstreet nor its advertisers. The author will not be held responsible for information that is found at the end of links posted on this page. If not otherwise explicitly mentioned in the body of the article, at the time of writing, the author has no position in any stock mentioned in this article and no business relationship with any company mentioned. The author has not received compensation for writing this article, other than from Fxstreet. Fxstreet and the author do not provide personalized recommendations. The author makes no representations as to the accuracy, completeness, or suitability of this information. Fxstreet and the author will not be liable for any errors, omissions, or any losses, injuries or damages arising from this information and its display or use. Errors and omissions accepted. The author and Fxstreet are not registered investment advisors and nothing in this article is intended to be investment advice. Holders on Ethereum killer networks Solana, Cardano, and Polkadot have started cycling into small market capitalization cryptocurrencies, hunting undervalued tokens. XRP price shows a clear sign of a bullish move which comes after months of rejection combined with massive sell-offs. However, the narrative has finally shifted after this recent breakout of a declining trendline, forecasting an explosive move soon. Cardano price should remain on every trader's immediate watch list as the market shows potential for a volatile trading environment in the days to come. BlockFi Bitcoin mining loans will be backed by 68,000 mining machines. Some of these loans are under-collateralized thanks to the decline in mining rigs prices. US dollar index, DXY, seesaws near 102.00 as the bulls struggle to defend the first daily gains in 3, marked the previous day, during early Tuesday's inactive trading. Note, all information on this page is subject to change. The use of this website constitutes acceptance of our user agreement. Please read our privacy policy and legal disclaimer. Trading foreign exchange on margin carries a high level of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Before deciding to trade foreign exchange, you should carefully consider your investment objectives, level of experience and risk appetite. The possibility exists that you could sustain a loss of some or all of your initial investment, and therefore you should not invest money that you cannot afford to lose. You should be aware of all the risks associated with foreign exchange trading, and seek advice from an independent financial advisor if you have any doubts. Opinions expressed at Fxstreet are those of the individual authors and do not necessarily represent the opinion of Fxstreet or its management. Fxstreet has not verified the accuracy or basis in fact of any claim or statement made by any independent author. Errors and omissions may occur. Any opinions, news, research, analyses, prices or other information contained on this website, by Fxstreet, its employees, clients or contributors, is provided as general market commentary and does not constitute investment advice. Fxstreet will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including without limitation to any loss of profit, which may arise directly or indirectly from use of or reliance on such information.